Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make a hoodie vector inside of Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to trace it, and then what I'm also going to show you is how to add color and how to change each individual part of the mockup. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to add designs on to the mockup as well, and how to cut them off at the sleeves and make them make sense. Stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you're going to gain some value and you're going to learn how to design. Let's get it. Now we're going to start with P, the pen tool, tracing essentially this mockup. Okay, so make sure you get a hoodie that you like. See right here, I'm on Essentials Classic, and I have my layer on a separate layer. So my picture I'm tracing is on a separate layer, and I locked it, and then my tracing layer is this one right here, layer 2. So now we have our line. Go back to pen tool and then hold Option Alt if you're on PC, Windows, and then we can bend it and curve it to our liking. All right, okay. And you know what, I might just add one more line right here. And then you see how my cursor changed from black to white, right? I just pushed A, that is the direct selection tool, and that will allow us to individually move certain anchor points. Okay, and so now I'm just gonna line it up. This looks pretty good, and then I'm going to continue. I'm going to click back. I'm going to hit the pen tool, P, and then I'm going to click this. It's going to make that little slash sign. That means it's going to continue it. So let's continue making this hoodie, the outside. Let's bend it out slightly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a slight curve. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, we basically done for real. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, let's continue. So now what you're gonna see me do, I'm just gonna select everything. I'm gonna hit Shift M. This will bring up the shape builder tool. I'm gonna hold down Alt, and I'm gonna click and drag to remove this line. That's also why you can see I kind of extended it further out, so I can do that. What I'm also gonna do is I'm going to do this. Okay, so now once we have all our lines, we're gonna select the whole thing. We're gonna Command C or right click copy, and now we just have to connect all the points like so. And to connect the points, you select the 2 points that you want to join together, and then you hit Command J or Control J for Windows, or you can right click it and then it should say join as well. So I'm just going to do that here. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to select all your lines and then right click and then group them so then they can stay together. And now I'm just going to add a few more details to this. I'm also going to make a duplicate of this, so I just have a copy for later, and then this next version I can just play around with it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on my lines and make sure that bar appears at the top. So I'm going to click on my outer layer and I'm just going to increase the stroke because I just want that to be thicker than everything else. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my corners and I'm going to click on them. You're going to see a little dot. I went over this earlier, but I'm just going to kind of make them less pointy, smooth them out just a little bit. I'm just going around and just adding a little bit of detail, cleaning it up, whatever you want to call it, but that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now for this next part, you're going to want to make sure you close all your lines. All your lines have to be closed. So just go through, look through everything, and make sure everything is connected and joined into one. Now we're gonna make a square and then we're gonna put it behind it. So right click it, go down to arrange, and then hit send to back. Okay, then we're gonna select the outline and the square we just made, and we're gonna hit Shift+M for the shape builder, hold down Alt and click on the outside. Okay, so now that gets rid of everything else, and this will allow us to change the color. Okay, as you can see here, now that we have the color behind it, you're going to want to select the whole thing again and then hit K. This is going to be the live paint bucket tool, and now this is going to allow us to change the individual parts of the hoodie. So the sleeve, the hood, the front pockets, the bottom, seam, whatever you want to call it, we can change all of that. Okay, with the live paint bucket tool, it goes off of your swatches. If you don't know where it is, Windows, and then look for swatches in the Windows section, and then you can see here I'm just changing the colors. But the thing is, when we use the live paint bucket tool, it changes the nature of the vector, right? And I'm gonna show you how to change it from that nature into a different one that'll make it even easier for you to change the colors, and it'll also make it easier for you to manipulate the outline if you want to make any adjustments or edits to them. Okay, so now that you have the color that you want, you see now I have gray right here. You're gonna want to select it, okay, and then go at the top of your screen, go to object and then expand. You're gonna see a whole bunch of options. Make sure all of these options are checked off, okay, and click OK. So now when you hit A to use your direct selection tool, you can change each individual part of the hoodie. You can change the color of it. Quick fix to help you change the color of the mockup. Okay, so boom, now I'm about to show y'all how y'all can add text and graphics to your mockups and add them to the sleeves and everything. Cut off the part that you wanted to end at, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. So right here I have my text. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select everything, right? I'm gonna select text in my mockup. Then I'm gonna hit shape builder tool, Shift+M. I'm gonna hold Alt and I'm gonna get rid of the part that I don't want. And when you look at that, it's like it's cut off, right? So then when I make the back version of this, I can put on the side that I removed, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna make a quick design real quick to put on the sleeve just to show you guys what a design element would look like on there. Okay, and once again, I'm gonna select everything, and then I'm gonna shape builder tool. I'm gonna hold Alt. I'm gonna get rid of the top part that I don't want. I can go more in depth with this. I can expand on this and make another video if you guys want. Just put in the comments below on just adding designs to the mockup and cropping them out to really like make it make sense, to show that okay, you want this on the front and you want this to continue on the other side of the sleeve. I can make a tutorial on that. Just put in the comments, like the video if you want it. But yeah, that's really it. That's how you make your mockup inside of, or your mockup inside of Adobe Illustrator. You know, just trace it out, put the color in. The way, this is how I do it, and you know, I mess with it, and I showed you guys how to change the color individually, so it's definitely going to help you out. And then how to add your graphics too. If you like the video, if you gain value, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, let me know what I should do next, let me know what you guys need help with so that I can make a video for you guys. But other than that, stay blessed, keep designing, keep going crazy. If you're interested in the clothing pack for Procreate, just check the link in the description down below. Other than that, you guys stay blessed. Peace.